Hello and welcome back to Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram of Wilson, North Carolina. Hey business owner, we appreciate your time stopping by, taking a look at our 2020 Ram 3500. This is a regular cab and as you can see, it's got a great looking service box on the back just for your work right here. Take a look, it's set up for towing. It does have the spray and bed liner. It helps protect your equipment and whatever else you need to throw back there. Hey, take a look. These bins are nice and deep. You know what these things are. Great service bodies, ready to go to work for you. And up front, your regular cab, you've got easy to keep clean seats, plenty of room up front. So why don't you come see us down here at Lee Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Wilson, North Carolina. We're located at 3700 Raleigh Road Parkway West. Talk to us and let us see what we can do for you. Thanks for the time.